Greetings, Mark Brown here. You just get the computer, but when you realize no Microsoft Office is on it, but you want to type something quick and move, what will be the next option? WordPad will be the next option, but how can I find that on this computer? First, say I have a Windows 11. Just simple, come right down here. You notice it look about call it search, the search bar. Now when I click on it, this is where it's gonna show, but it's not gonna show like this on the Windows 11, Windows 10 rather. Now right up here, what you search bar you're gonna click, you're gonna type in word, see it here, and in WordPad you're gonna click. Now when you click on that WordPad, this is what it look like. You notice it look close like Microsoft Word, right? So let me type something now to show you. You notice up here it says so welcome, just the same. I can press enter, you notice it move. Alright, let me go back again and type that. Alright, let me press enter, get down some more. Alright, if you notice with this, I can actually type, I can actually block it. But if I come to curve body right here, so I can change the font. You notice I can come right here, so I can increase the size, just the same. Increase the size, you notice I can actually bold it, I can actually underline it, you can actually change the color of it, just the same. Right, I can also highlight it, just the same. If you notice right here, I can actually center it, just the same. You notice, justify, and all of that. You can even come right here and say select all, block it just the same. So definitely, you don't have a Microsoft Office, you can literally open the WordPad. If you notice right down here, you notice you can annotate when you click. You notice that section come right here. You notice you can actually write just the same. Notice if you click this and come like that, you can also type something in it just the same, just like that. You notice I click like that, I click back on it. You notice click out there. Alright, and this can actually shift press and type something else. Alright, so if you notice, you come right here, you can actually do that. Just the same and take off. You understand? So you can literally annotate it just the same. Alright, if you notice right here, show that you can actually save it, you can actually delete it just the same. So this is how you can actually use the WordPad. But what if you want to save it for your computer? You can come right up your file, you notice it shows a save as. Notice it give an option, you can save it to which text document. You notice these are some other options. So I'm going to click on this one. Now when I click on that particular one, you notice right here, show up in the middle right here. So I click on the desktop now, I can give it a name. And then I can come right here and click on error save. So if I come right and I minimize it, you notice, so this is self is a document right here. Alright, and then I'm gonna bring it back up just to save. So I want to get rid of this here and I can simply click that and close. So this exactly how WordPad actually look like. You notice it look exactly like Microsoft Word. You can even come right here so you can also insert your photo just the same. Alright. You can even search for your photo and put it up. So you can find one right here. Right? I have no photo on Alexa, but definitely you can actually do the same thing and save it on your computer. Alright, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.